All right, fresh off the bench today, October 22nd, 2023, is a Cobra 29 LTD Classic. Radio is peaked and tuned. It's got a modulation swing kit installed. Has an echo board installed. It's mounted to the chassis inside. It's controlled by the Delta Tune knobs right there. Really nice radio. I put new blue LEDs in it. Nice clean. It is a really nice radio. I've adjusted the receive. It's all aligned. Dead keys a little over 2 watts, swings about 20. Nice strong radio. If you want to add a linear, just hook it up. It's already tuned for it. Plug and play. Audio. Hello. Audio check. 1, 2. Hello. Radio works very well. What you see is what you will get. It's on eBay as of today.